Volkswagen's modular infotainment matrix MIB system, found in many VW models from 2012-2018, can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. The quickest fix is often a simple reset. There are three main types of resets you can try: a soft reboot, a factory reset, and a hard reset. A soft reboot is the easiest. Just press and hold the power button on your infotainment system for 5 to 10 seconds until it restarts. This clears temporary memory without deleting your data. If that doesn't work, try a factory reset. This will restore the system to its original settings, so be sure to back up any important data first. You can usually find the factory reset option in the System Settings menu. The default PIN is often 0000 or vehicle specific. Finally, for a hard reset, you can disconnect the car battery for 5 to 15 minutes or use diagnostic tools like Otis. Always start with the soft reboot before trying more drastic measures. If basic resets don't solve the problem, your MIB system might have a deeper issue. Volkswagen has released over-the-air updates to address some common problems, particularly with screen freezes. Make sure your car is connected to Wi-Fi and check for updates via the VW CarNet app. Keep in mind that older MIB systems are gradually being phased out in favor of newer systems like MIB3. While resets are helpful, they're not a permanent solution. If you continue to experience problems, it could indicate a hardware failure, and you should consult a VW dealer. Looking ahead, VW is moving towards cloud-based infotainment systems with AI-driven diagnostics, reducing the need for manual resets. New models increasingly feature mandatory OTA updates for infotainment, and AI chatbots are being integrated into VW apps to guide users through resets in real time.